Hello and welcome to our PSA.
I'm Leslie.
I'm Natalia.
I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Joy.
Today we're diving into a very important topic, long COVID. We will explore the issue, evidence, share our conclusion, and provide you with a call to action. So, is the severity of COVID-19 related to the development of long COVID? That's our biggest question.
Let's break it down with our data. Considering Figure 3, which is our first data, illustrates the proportion of individuals experiencing specific symptom changes over time in days. The symptoms shown on the graph are symptoms such as fatigue, cough, dysomnia, change or loss of sense of taste, shortness of breath, and potentially other symptoms. The y-axis shows the proportion of individuals experiencing these symptoms, while the x-axis represents time in days since the beginning of COVID. This graph helps us get a better understanding of how common and how long these symptoms tend to last for an individual.
In addition, Figure 8's data indicates for ICU admissions, the minimum is at least more than likely to occur, as the research has indicated the likelihood of long COVID occurring is proven if the odds ratio is more than 1, which is consistent with the average being greater than 2 and the max even reaching a greater than 6.5 odds ratio. The graph on the likelihood of long COVID symptoms is positively skewed, therefore there's a strong correlation with the ICU admissions and the likelihood of long-term COVID. This is substantial evidence that the severity of symptoms in COVID-19, when positive, leading to the need of the ICU, could be the indicator of developing long-term COVID.
Lastly, for Figure 4, in the data we see there are two forms of predicting the severity of long-term COVID, which are Severity 2 and Severity 3. Severity 3 is the strongest predictor of developing long COVID symptoms. The cases show that the more severe the COVID, the more chances of developing chronic symptoms increase. In the graph, there is a large coefficient that is above 0, as well as a large confidence interval, which indicates that although we are still unsure of the risk level, the data concludes that the risk is still very high. The wide confidence interval also suggests that the variability in the data is not enough for an estimate. However, the trend is clear. When you have severe COVID, your likelihood of developing long-term COVID increases.
So what does this all mean? The severity of COVID symptoms, when positive, affects the possibility of long COVID.
Therefore, tackle your severity of your symptoms by getting vaccinated, staying up to date with boosters, stay hydrated, and take lots of rest if positive.
Thank you for tuning in our PSA.
We hope this information helps you and your loved ones stay informed and healthy.
Remember, by taking care of yourself today, you can avoid long-term complications tomorrow.
Stay safe and stay healthy.
Until next time!